Everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a Bear note-taking app tutorial for beginners. So first, what is Bear? Bear is a beautifully designed, minimalist note-taking app for Mac, iPhone, or iPad. It's great for writing, organizing, and syncing notes with a focus on speed, markdown, formatting, and privacy. Now, first things first is go to Mac App Store or App Store and download Bear Markdown Notes. Now, create an account and then upgrade to Bear Pro for sync, themes, and export options. Create your first note. Tap on New Note, the pen icon. And then start typing. Bear saves everything automatically. Use Markdown to style text quickly. Now, organize with tags. Add tags in line with hashtag like hashtag work or hashtag ideas. And then Bear automatically turns them into a folders in the sidebar, which is here or here. Now, nest tags for subcategories. Format notes with Markdown. Bear supports full Markdown for headings, bold or italic, list, code, use backticks or triple backticks for blocks and links, search and filter. Use the search bar at the top to find notes quickly. Combine tag and keyword searches. Now export and share. Tap the share icon to export notes as PDF, HTML, docs, or Markdown. Great for sharing or backing up your content. Now to sync across devices, which is available only for the Bear Pro. Upgrade to Bear Pro, then sync notes via iCloud across your Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Your notes stays private and encrypted. Now to customize the app, choose from themes like dark modes, sepia, and solarize. Change fonts and line spacing for a better writing experience. Now toggle focus mode to write without distractions. Some bonus tips are use to do checkbox, and then pin notes to keep them at the top, and lastly, archive or trash notes you don't need without deleting them permanently. And that's basically it.